So we came to local workshop. Guys are instantly helping because we need to unscrew this. Instantly, professionals. Possible to find only by asking locals. There is workshop. Got new bike, 2022, from the local. Amazing.
From the local.
Tire shop. Everything is specialized. One thing only. Nothing like a complex. Okay, so how much is petrol? Petrol is here, no? Ah, here? No. Ah, here, okay. 110 rupees. So around €1.20. Okay. We arrived in Lulu Mall and we got into two-wheel park because now we are with our motorbike, and they have amazing service actually where they allow you to leave your helmet, and this service costs 10 rupees, which is around 12 euro cents. It's for whole day. Just don't forget to take your helmet, and that's it. I think this is very smart. I am surprised how Indians are actually smart when it comes to convenience sometimes. Yeah. I guess the more people, the bigger the problems, the bigger need to solve the problem. So big respect. And when it comes to mall itself, it looks
Very modern.
very modern, very European standard mall, I would say.
Yeah.
Big, very big, lots of people. But yeah, I like the tiles, which are more like Dubai-ish, Arabic marble, yeah. And now we're going to eat.
Crispy chicken meal. So that's €1.50 for a meal. That's the price of McDonald's supposed to be.
This is Burger King. But good old times, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good old times. But we don't want McDonald's or Burger King if possible. But
I think we'll find something else.
I hope we will find something else, but there is a chance that we will end up there.
There is always
Even though we are for health and we know that there is total poison and plastic shit. Now I don't want to eat that. Super complex IMAX looks 4DX.
That's interesting. We can go there. Movie. And I think it could be in English.
Ooh, look! Wow! Amazing!
Attractions in the
Wow!
adventure park in the mall.
They are using the space of the mall. That's amazing.
There is this
Okay, we're gonna look where to actually eat. More thing why I love Kerala. I'm not sure if it's in other states. Pretty much everywhere, in every restaurant, and now we see in the bowl, there is a hand wash. It's just facility to come in and to wash the hands before eating. That's how you prevent yourself from all the diseases, and everything.
But it's mainly because they're eating with their hands without cutlery, without fork. And
Yeah, but when you say, there's lots of diseases in India, Jesus, there's so much of prevention for that.
You can wash the hands always.
Yeah, amazing.
Of course, yeah, and I think nicest part of India.
Could be. Okay, so finally my tooth has been removed, or teeth, I am not sure what's the difference in English. Very professional service. First of all, I paid 30 euros for my tooth removal, which is, how to say protein than this? These tooth, wisdom tooth, the ones that grow when you are 20 plus. I had no complications, to be honest. It was more like prevention. But for example, in Lithuania, doctors were pretty scared to take this, to do such operation. In India, they did, and it cost only 30 euros. And the guys are so amazing, very professional. They check if you are allergic to their anesthesia that they're using. They post-operation, they give lots of drugs instantly, explain all possible complications, why they arise. what's the percentage, what's the probability of such risk, what to do if such risks come, so on and so on. Never ever in my life I received so much information about the thing that is being done to me medically. And I mean, they care about you so much, they even put lip balm during the operation so that your lips would not get like very bad. I never ever experienced that. And yeah, we'll tell you more about this in some maybe different video, but for now we're so very, very happy, very satisfied. Really recommend India, even though we tried fixing or dealing with some dental issues in Lithuania, Spain, Turkey, now India, and for sure India, specifically this place is what we recommend, and we are very much satisfied, both for the service quality and for the price, because price is the cheapest and service is the best, I think. Now I'm eating this smoothie. This is some foods because they recommended I eat smoothies and not the hot one. So while Don is eating, show what you're eating.
Not very Indian, a little bit, but it's nice. Very spicy. That's what Indian for sure. It's more the Mexican, but it's fine.
Okay, so let me review the Indian dresses. They all are very nice material. I like colors because there are colors. What I don't like is that this is more like a shirt, t-shirt or shirt, and it has very long cut this in both of the sides. So what is happening is that when I put it on, so it goes around here. So I cannot go just by this dress because my trousers will be seen instantly. So for that I need they wear something like this. But when it's okay, so now it's winter, it's February, but with that it's super hot. So yep, I really wanted to get something Indian, but not at the shop and not today. Okay, so the prices are, so this is more like to the cheaper side shop, more like Primark style, I would say. So you can see 500 rupees, 800 rupees. I think maximum what I saw was up to like 900 rupees. My husband is getting a t-shirt for 200 rupees. So for you to understand, I divide it by 100. So if it's 900 rupees, it's approximately like maybe 9.5 euros, but for me it's easier to say that it's 9 euros. If it's 200 rupees, that it's 2 euros. So dollars similar, right? So slippers 500. For me, my size is 43, so it's pretty much impossible to buy in not pretty much, it is impossible to buy any shoe in woman place, because everything goes maximum to, I can see 40, 41, but it isn't 41. Look, it isn't 41. So this is my size 40, 42, and this is 41. Well, maybe it is 41, I'm not sure, but then I would need, I don't know, 43 then, 44. Anyways, shoes in India doesn't fit me, so I will have a problem, because with these shoes it's gonna be, it is too hot. The second day I'm driving me crazy. Right, can you differentiate my husband?
Face mask, 50 cents of euro.
Okay, so this costs like 5 euros. But it's not.
No?
It's only. No, it has this thing.
Mask,
Yeah.
And then wet wipes for 30 cents.
Okay.
We can have our own spa.
Do you have a man who takes care of your skin? So to be honest, a lot of shops are... Okay, this kid is very loud. A lot of shops are empty because it is for India. It is expensive, I think. Because, I don't know, 10 euros for t-shirt? I guess nobody really wants to pay that. You see, empty. people come here just for entertainment. Maybe foods, even though food is also on more like expensive side. You can eat for like 3 euros when normally you can eat for like 1-2 euros. You see, beautiful shop. Nobody is there, right? Nobody is there. And what we noticed is that people, Donnie will like it here. Yep, he will definitely like it here. Where is he? So what I noticed is that people who are recommending Lulu Mall is more like people who are thinking about us as Europeans who like, but for me, I feel here like not in India. I feel like in Europe. That's what I don't like. I want to feel like in India. I want to get good fabrics, nice designs, and cheap. And here a shitty quality. Same designs as everywhere. And not that cheap. I want it cheaper. Okay, so I notice a very interesting phenomena. There are lots of plants in the mall. I'm not sure. Like I never saw plants on the first floor in any of the mall. They have different. So there is also park upstairs. Very interesting one. So if you have kids and if you have nothing to do in Trivandrum, go here. If you would participate in Indian wedding, which you will on Sunday, by the way.
Maybe I need something.
You would buy something like that. Look, what kind of shoes? Nice.
Elegant shoes.
Nice.
Look, I like that one. You see in the picture. It's nice.
Yeah, like a singer. Okay.
But I think you need to look in the market because this is.
Yeah, it's very expensive. I think let's get out of here.
Because it's for wedding, so you can imagine it's extra price for wedding.
Yeah, I think